Uh, don't know when it's gonna start, if it's gonna start, when it's gonna start, huh? Well, what's up? What's happening, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. So anyway, I'm on St. Bernard and Broad and St. Bernard by this Walgreens right here. Okay. Well, anyway, hopefully I ain't gonna have no beef with anybody and stuff like that. But to come find me of anything, you know. Okay. So, this is daylight saving time, spring forward, okay? The first day of spring is this week or next week, So, around here, Juan La Fonte, y'all see that? All right, so, anyway, on this daylight saving time, I would like to, what I would like to say. Think for a minute, y'all. Da 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 la 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 la. Look around. Who made graffiti here? There go the snack truck, or should I say snack bar, or whatever you want to call it. Domino, love me some nachos and cheese. The Blue Box Blues. Ain't no macaroni and cheese. The Blue Box Blues. Yeah. I saw my favorite buddy, Dimes. She was glad to see me. I was glad to see her beautiful smile. let me pull my mask off a little bit. Well, we still during the pandemic though. With this daylight saving time vlog, I'll do another one by Randy TV House. Okay. I didn't know Dominique who was watching my show. Too many Dominiques I know. Okay. So. She probably watching my show right now, or watching it after the previous recording, or whatever. Oh, there go the bus. There go the bus. So, all right. So, get off this live. Shut up and done. All right. As these cars pass by, as people lined up. I guess that's a seafood thing, Enjoy that seafood gumbo, okay? So anyway, here go the bus. All right, one of the old buses right here, Yeah, I don't know why they got this like this. They should hammer this down into place. All right. All right, I'm out of here. Thank y'all. Peace out.